Okay, I just thought I would create a quick video for you to show you how to insert the logo in your signature. So first, I'm just replying to your email here in Outlook, and then I'm going to a signature that I already have, and didn't want to do that. I want to edit my signature, so you just go to Signatures. And since I already have it in here, I'm just going to delete it and just pretend like I just have the, just the text. So what you would do is just insert, click on that button and insert the logo. And the logo I sent you in the file attachment just a few minutes ago, just save that to your desktop or to your computer. And then you're just going to go to that folder to insert it. And see, it inserts it. And now, when you click OK, it's actually in your signature. So that's basically all you need to do, and then when you say your signature, you'll be all set. And let me just see if I can remove this right quick here. And I'm just going to pretend like I'm just inserting my signature. And there you go. And I think it's a way where it would automatically add your signature to the end of your messages. So I think you already know how to do that. But yeah, so again, as a recap, just go to your signatures, and you just have this currently. So you're going to click on this thing right here, and that's going to bring your folders up, on your computer. And then you just select the one that you want to insert. Click OK, and you're golden. I hope that helps. All right, peace.